Coming to you live from the Palmetto State Police Motor Skills Challenge down at the North Myrtle Beach Mall. Anyway, take a look at this. This has been a lot of fun to watch. I'll have some videos and photos later on. Here we go. So they're riding on both sides of me. They've got a group over here going through some different obstacles. And there's BMWs, there is a Kawasaki Concourse, Harley Davidson bikes. Let's check out the course over here. Anyway, it's been a lot of fun watching this. Come back to my channel later, and I'll have some videos and photos of this event. They're having a beautiful day for it. It's supposed to rain later on today. This is going to be going on all week down here at the mall. So come down and check it out. I think you'd enjoy it.
Crazy.